Marcus, we're talking high dust. Now, for me, you're talking the elevation of how high it is, or what's?
Yeah, depending on the request, or what's kind of in our wheelhouse.
What is high dust? I mean, when you talk about that, what is?
Yeah, so high dust is pretty much anything from a ceiling that you can reach with a hand duster to a ceiling that you can reach with a scaffolding system or a lift.
Okay.
Our goal there is kind of just to properly get as much of the dust and gunk off of those high surfaces as possible, whether it's...
How are you doing that? With vacuums, with rags? How do you approach that?
It depends. So a lot of light fixtures are very delicate, so you can't just kind of go in there and manhandle them. You kind of have to be very gentle, whether it's a rag or a duster, or whether you're using a vacuum. So it really just depends on what the surface of the high dusting is. Vents are huge. A lot of people don't realize how much dust and just dirt builds up on the inside of that vent cover.
Yeah.
So we're going through and we're taking all those out and we're giving them a thorough clean so that they look spick and span.
Even if I don't see the dust, you're getting it.
Yeah, you're breathing it in.
That's
it's
nice.
falling everywhere in the building, and it's just not something that you want to breathe in every day.
What's the highest you guys have gone?
The highest that we have gone is probably 30 to 40 feet.
That's
for high dusting. Obviously interior.
Yeah, sure.
We've done exterior high dusting before, which is kind of tricky because you're fighting wind and
oh my gosh,
leaves
yeah,
and all that stuff,
yeah.
and it becomes more power washing. But yeah, we'll determine, do we need a lift? Do we need a scaffolding system? Do we have a duster that's got a long enough pole?
Right.
And we'll tackle it.
But you can get it no matter where it is, no matter how high it is, and no vertigo. You guys are okay with
No,
it?
we're clear so far on that.
That's excellent. Okay.